Scout automobile. Welcome back. Close your eyes for a moment, and imagine a machine that doesn't just represent Audi, but represents the absolute peak of naturally aspirated performance engineering. A machine that refuses to follow the silent electric future and instead continues to scream with emotion, with power, with raw mechanical soul. The 2026 Audi R8 V10 is exactly that machine, a final evolution of one of the greatest supercars ever created. A design that is not just built for speed, but built for feeling. This is not just a car, this is Audi's final symphony of combustion, and the moment you see it, everything else disappears. Now start at the rear, because the rear of the 2026 Audi R8 V10 is where its identity truly begins. The back of the car looks extremely wide, extremely low and perfectly planted. It feels like a machine that is always ready to launch forward even when standing still. The LED taillights stretch sharply across both corners, with a futuristic signature that instantly feels premium and aggressive at the same time. Audi's lighting language here is not simple decoration. It is identity. When these lights turn on at night, they look like a glowing signature carved into the darkness. The rear engine glass cover sits proudly in the center, revealing the naturally aspirated V10 engine like a piece of mechanical art. You can literally see the heart of the machine. This is one of those rare supercars where the engine is not hidden. It is displayed with pride. Below that, the rear diffuser is aggressively sculpted. Every angle, every cut, every vent has aerodynamic purpose. Air is not just passing under the car, it is being controlled, shaped, and pushed to improve stability at high speed. The diffuser gives the rear a race-inspired identity, like something born directly from motorsport engineering. The dual exhaust outlets sit in the center, large and commanding. When the engine starts, this is where the sound becomes reality. Deep mechanical roar at idle, and a screaming V10 symphony at full throttle. The exhaust is not just an outlet, it is the voice of the car. The rear bumper flows smoothly into the bodywork with a mix of carbon fiber and painted surfaces. Everything feels tight, precise, and performance-oriented. Even the smallest details like reflectors and vents are integrated cleanly, without breaking the design language. From the rear, the R8 V10 doesn't feel like a road car, it feels like a machine waiting for battle. Now slowly move toward the front, and the personality of the 2026 Audi R8 V10 completely transforms. The front fascia is sharp, low, and extremely aggressive. Audi's signature single-frame grille dominates the center, finished in a dark mesh pattern that gives the car a strong, almost intimidating presence. It is wide, it is low, and it feels like it is constantly inhaling air for performance. At the center, the Audi rings sit proudly, simple and clean, reminding you of the legacy behind this machine. There is no unnecessary complexity here. Everything is controlled, balanced, and purposeful. The headlights are one of the most futuristic parts of the car. Slim matrix LED laser units stretch deeply into the body lines, giving the R8 a focused and sharp expression. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they define the character of the car. At night, they create a signature that is instantly recognizable from far away. Below the headlights, massive air intakes dominate the bumper. These are not cosmetic, they are functional cooling channels designed to feed air into brakes, engine systems, and aerodynamic pathways. The front end feels alive, like it is constantly breathing. The hood is sculpted with sharp tension lines that move toward the windshield. These lines are not random. They guide airflow and reduce lift at high speed while also giving the car a muscular appearance. When light hits the hood, it creates shadows that move like waves across the surface. From the front, the R8 V10 looks powerful, focused, and slightly aggressive, like it is always ready to attack the road. Now move toward the front left side. And this is where the proportions of the 2026 Audi R8 V10 become truly dramatic. The front wheel arch is extremely muscular. It curves tightly over the wheel like it is holding tension. Inside it sits a massive forged alloy wheel, designed for both performance and aesthetics. The multi-spoke design reflects light in different directions, making the wheel look alive when the car is moving. Behind the wheel sits a large carbon ceramic brake system. The calipers are bold and performance-focused, showing that this machine is not just about acceleration, but also about control. The side blade is one of the most iconic design elements of the R8. It runs behind the door and separates the upper and lower body sections. This blade is not just styling, it is functional aerodynamics. It helps channel air toward the rear engine system while also giving the car its signature identity. The side profile is long, low, and perfectly balanced. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear deck, creating a silhouette that feels timeless. There is no unnecessary exaggeration here. The design is clean, purposeful, and elegant. From this angle, the R8 V10 looks like it is carved out of one single piece of motion. Now move toward the front right side, and the symmetry of the design becomes even more visible. The headlights look sharper from this angle. The front splitter appears lower and more aggressive. The aerodynamic mirrors are designed to reduce drag while maintaining functionality at high speed. Every detail feels engineered, not styled randomly. The stance of the car becomes very obvious here. It sits extremely low to the ground, almost like a racing prototype adapted for the road. The body appears tightly wrapped around the mechanical components underneath. Light moves across the body panels in a very smooth way, showing the precision of Audi's manufacturing quality. Panel gaps are extremely tight, surfaces are smooth, everything feels premium and precise. Now open the door and step inside the interior of the 2026 Audi R8 V10. The first feeling is focus. The cabin is not wide and luxurious like a limousine. It is tight, driver-centered, and performance-oriented. Everything is placed exactly where it needs to be. The sport seats are deeply bolstered, designed to hold the driver firmly during aggressive cornering. They are wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara materials, giving both comfort and grip. The stitching details show craftsmanship and attention to detail. The seating position is low, very low. This creates a direct connection between driver and road. You don't sit inside the car like a passenger, you sit inside it like a pilot. Ahead of you is Audi's virtual cockpit display. Fully digital, extremely sharp. It shows speed, RPM, navigation, and performance data in real time. The tachometer is central because in this car, RPM is everything. The steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and perfectly weighted. It feels like a racing wheel adapted for road use. The paddle shifters behind it are metallic, precise, and satisfying to use. At the center of the dashboard, the infotainment system is integrated cleanly. It does not dominate the interior. Instead, it blends into the design. It supports navigation, media, and vehicle settings without distraction. Everything inside the cabin feels driver-focused. Nothing feels unnecessary. Now step back outside and look again at the rear of the car, because from the rear left angle, the design becomes even more dramatic. The wide rear stance becomes extremely obvious. The wheel arches look muscular and powerful. The side intake channels appear deeper and more aggressive. Air is being pulled directly into the engine system. The exhaust sits perfectly centered, reminding you again of the V10 engine waiting behind the seats. The rear wheel looks massive from this angle, and the brake system appears ready for extreme performance. The car looks like it is always in motion, even when completely parked. Now move toward the rear right side, and the visual balance of the design reaches perfection. The diffuser looks deeper. The taillights glow with stronger intensity. The body lines flow seamlessly into the rear structure. Everything feels connected and harmonious. There is no confusion in design. Everything has purpose. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the 2026 Audi R8 V10 becomes legendary. Under the rear glass sits a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, one of the last true naturally aspirated engines in the supercar world. No turbo lag, no artificial enhancement, just raw mechanical response. The throttle is instant. Every input creates immediate reaction. As the RPM climbs, the engine sound transforms from deep mechanical growl into a high-pitched racing scream. This is not just sound, this is emotion in mechanical form. The acceleration feels linear and brutal at the same time. Power builds continuously without interruption. The dual-clutch transmission shifts instantly, keeping the engine in its perfect power zone. Audi's Quattro system ensures maximum grip. Power is distributed intelligently between all four wheels, giving the car extreme stability during acceleration and cornering. Even at high speeds, the car feels controlled. Suspension is adaptive. In comfort mode, it feels smooth enough for daily driving. In dynamic mode, it becomes stiff, sharp, and aggressive. Steering response becomes sharper, exhaust becomes louder, gear shifts become more aggressive. The entire car changes personality instantly. This is what makes the R8 special. It is not just fast, it is emotional. Technology inside the car supports driving but never replaces it. Safety systems operate in the background. Audio system delivers premium sound, but the real music comes from the V10 engine itself. And when you finally stop the car, turn off the engine, and sit in silence for a moment, you hear the cooling sounds of metal settling after extreme heat. That moment reminds you what this machine truly is, a rare combination of engineering and emotion. A supercar built not only for speed, but for connection. And as you walk away and look back one last time, you realize something very important. Machines like this are disappearing, and that is exactly what makes the 2026 Audi R8 V10 so special. It is not just a car, it is the final chapter of a legend, a machine that will never be forgotten. This is the 2026 Audi R8 V10.